Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special episode dedicated to all our viewers who are managing diabetes and looking for quick, easy, and healthy meal ideas. We've put together 5 delicious recipes that are not only diabetic-friendly, but also packed with flavor and nutrients to help you stay on track with your health goals. So let's dive in and get cooking. First up, we have a refreshing and nutritious summer salad. In a large bowl, combine fresh spinach leaves, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and grilled chicken breast. Drizzle with a homemade vinaigrette made with olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a touch of honey. Toss it all together and enjoy a guilt-free, low-carb meal that's bursting with color and flavor. Next, we're whipping up a savory and satisfying quinoa stir-fry. In a skillet, sauté diced bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms until tender. Add cooked quinoa, diced chicken breast, and a splash of low-sodium soy sauce. Stir-fry until everything is heated through and serve hot. This protein-packed dish is the perfect balance of textures and flavors, making it a great option for lunch or dinner. Moving on to our third recipe, we have a mouth-watering turkey and vegetable wrap. Start by spreading hummus on a whole wheat tortilla, then layer on sliced avocado, shredded carrots, cucumber strips, and lean turkey slices. Roll it up tightly and cut into bite-sized pieces for a portable and satisfying meal on the go. This wrap is a great alternative to traditional fast food options and will keep you feeling full and energized. For our fourth dish, we're getting cozy with a hearty and wholesome lentil soup. In a large pot, combine lentils, diced tomatoes, carrots, celery, onions, garlic, and vegetable broth. Season with a blend of dried herbs like thyme, oregano, and bay leaves. Simmer for about 30 minutes until the lentils are tender and the flavors are well incorporated. This comforting soup is a great source of fiber and protein, making it a comforting option for those chilly evenings. Last but certainly not least, we have a sweet treat to satisfy that dessert craving, a delicious and guilt-free fruit parfait. In a glass or bowl, layer Greek yogurt, fresh berries, and a sprinkle of nuts and seeds for added crunch. Drizzle with a touch of honey or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness. This colorful and nutrient-dense parfait is the perfect way to end a meal on a high note without spiking your blood sugar levels. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy and healthy meals for diabetics that are sure to keep you feeling satisfied and well-nourished. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch idea or a comforting dinner option, these recipes have got you covered. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on flavor or variety in your meals. With a little creativity and some simple swaps, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious dishes that will keep you on track with your health goals. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes and health tips. And don't forget to leave a comment below, letting us know which recipe you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy cooking.